Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we learning alphabets and numbers. Blue color, red color, white color, green color, black color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring numbers and alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we spelling 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Kids, now we coloring numbers and alphabet. Kids, first we use yellow color. A, B, B for ball, B, kids, now we use blue color. C, C for cat, C for cat. D, D for dog, D for dog. E, E, kids, now we using red color. E, E for egg, E for egg. F, F for fish, F for fish. The next one is G, G for goat. Kids, now we using green color. G for goat, G for goat. Kids, the next one is H, H for hand. Kids, the next one is I, I for ice cream. And now we using white color. I for ice cream. Next one is J, J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. The next one is K, K for kite. Now we using black color. K, K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion. L for lion. Kids, now we using yellow color. And the letter one is M. M for moon. Kids, M for moon. Kids, again we using yellow color. And the letter one is N. N for nest. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. Now we using blue color. O for orange. Kids, the next one is P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. And now we using red color. Q for queen. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, again we using red color. And now we draw R. R. R for rose. R for rose. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. And now we using green color. S for sun. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Now we coloring U. U for umbrella. Now we using white color. U for umbrella. Kids, now we coloring V. V for vanilla. Vanilla. Kids, the next letter is W. W for wolf. Now we using black color. W for wolf. Kids, the next letter is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Kids, now we using black color. black color. Kids, the next letter is Y. Y for yolk. Kids, now we again use yellow color. Y for yolk. The last word is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Kids, now we coloring numbers. Zero, zero. One, O, N, E. One. Kids, now we using blue color. Two. 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 Again we using blue color. Three. Now we draw and coloring the number of 3. Kids, the next number is 4. Four. 4. Kids, now we using red color. Four. 4. Kids, the next number is 5. Five. 5. Now we coloring the number of 6. Kids, now we using green color. S I X 6. Kids, again we using green color and draw 7. Kids, now we draw the number of 8. Now we use white color. The number of 8. Kids, the last number is 9. Kids, last we use black color. 9. The last number is 9. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.